Alright, in order for you to do this, you will need to open Chrome or any browser that you have in your computer and click on the link below. The link below, and the link is Remove.bg, and you click enter. Immediately these screens pop up. You have to click on upload image. When you click on upload image, go to wheresoever you have the picture you want to remove the background from there. After you have clicked on the picture they want to remove the background from there, you click on maybe open or whatsoever is going to show in your screen. It's going to take at least not up to 5 or 10 seconds to remove the background. As you can see, it has removed my background already. In order for me to download this, you can simply click on the download button and it's going to go directly to your download folder in your computer. You can see download HD. It's up to you. So now what I'm gonna do is that with the picture I have downloaded, I will test it on Photoshop to make sure that the background has been removed. So if you have Photoshop in your machine, you can test it there. Last class I show you how to open a folder in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can head on to my website to purchase Photoshop just at 250 francs. Alright, my Photoshop has opened, so I'll be opening the folder to test if it has really worked. So to do this, I have to click on File, I click on Open. After Open, I need to head on to the folder that the image was downloaded there. For me, the image was in Download. So this is the image. So I'll click on Open. Voila, as you can see, the background has been removed. So next Saturday I'll be showing you how to do something similar to this on Photoshop. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, don't forget to do that. See you next Saturday.